Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use Pro Video mode for manual controls on your Galaxy S26. So first, open the camera app, and then what you guys want to do is click more. Here, do not mistake the Pro mode for the Pro Video mode. Those are completely two different things. And here, what you guys can do is manually adjust the ISO, the shutter speed, and everything. So let me quickly lower the brightness. Now, as you guys can see, we can do just that. Now it's pointed right here. Of course, we can put this in the HDR. We can change it to 8K, for example, 24. So it's like a cinematic frame rate. And now we can change the ISO. As you guys can see, we can disable the auto, and here we can set it manually. For example, 3200. It's a lot, but still you guys can set it up to this. Of course, we got the shutter speed, and here we have the manual focus and autofocus. So we can select the multi, center, and manual. So as you guys can see here, we also have the white balance and the tint. Here you guys can have fun with your settings and then try and point it out on something and record a pretty good video. So if I actually go over and change the focus, I can change the video. That will look, let me show you, like this. I messed up with my white balance, that's why this video looks so cold, but as you guys can see, it's right here. The quality is also not the best because those are the random settings, but that's basically how you guys can select the Pro Video. Here you guys can create some amazing settings and get a feeling of the camera. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.